Hey Internet, today I'm going to show you this program that we made for data structures and algorithms. This is one of my coding projects. So we had to use the array sort algorithm and the quick sort algorithm. So this is a salt and pepper noise removal tool. So as you can see, we've got a static image of a rabbit and some eggs. I'm guessing this is a Easter theme related. So how these algorithms work is it sorts through pixel by pixel. So with this one, with solid colors, it's easier to clean up. For example 2 and 3, you'll notice it's a lot more difficult. So as you can see on the right, it's 99% clean. As you can see, there's still some artifacts, but you can clearly see the image. So example number 2, I call this one static confetti. So when we remove the noise, as you can see, there are some artifacts and some pixels that haven't been cleaned, and it looks like it's raining confetti. So when the image has multiple colors and then those colors are similar to other colors in the image, the algorithm gets a little bit confused and the accuracy is lower. And then finally, the third image is your grayscale, black and white, or noir. This is probably the most difficult one because your range, you've got basically 3 settings, and it's hard to sort what is static, what isn't. So let's remove the noise. As you can see what the image is, but it looks like, once again, it's noir confetti. So you've got a lot of artifacts, and you can see that it's difficult to make out sometimes because of the grayscale and black and white pixels. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. See the pinned comment for the GitHub repo and the code. Until next time, see ya.